master the basics of headset functionality. Ensuring your Minerva Momentary headset is ready for use. Step 1. Visual inspection. When removing the headset from its bag, check that it's clean and free from visible damage. Make sure all nuts, clips and fittings are secure and tight. Lastly, and fittings are secure and tight, and the microphone cup, lead and ear cups are correctly attached to the appropriate parts. Step 2. Fit the antenna. Locate the right-angled antenna and screw it onto the left-hand dome using the knurled nut at the base. Once attached, ensure the antenna is pointing upright, as it would be when worn, towards the sky. Step 3. Power on. Find the power button, which is either black or white depending on the headset version, and located on the underside of the left-hand dome. Press and hold for 1 second, then release. The LED will illuminate green. If fully charged, the LED flashes 3 times with 3 beeps. At 30 to 80% charge, it flashes twice with 2 beeps. Below 30% charge, the LED flashes once with a single beep. We recommend only using the headset when you receive at least 2 beeps. In urgent situations, it can be used with a single beep, but keep in mind you'll only get a warning tone in the ear when there's less than 30 minutes of battery life left. If there's no light or only 1 beep, the headset likely needs charging and it's time to plug in. Step 4. Charging. The charger socket is located at the bottom of the right-hand dome. Within the first 30 minutes of charging, the headset will regain roughly 2/3 of its battery life. While charging, the top LED turns orange. When fully charged, the light turns off. Step 5. Position the microphone. Make sure the microphone can only rotate forward and back, not all the way around. It should sit directly in front of your mouth, as close to the lips as possible for optimal pickup. For correct orientation, the antenna should be behind the head, on the rear side of the headset when worn. Step 6. Using the buttons. On the left-hand dome, you'll find the red button. This is a momentary push-to-talk button. It activates the microphone to speak to the cockpit. On the right-hand dome, there's a black button, positioned in the center. This button only becomes active when a radio is plugged into the auxiliary socket, found at the bottom of the right-hand dome. When connected, the black button becomes a push-to-talk function for the radio. Please note, the auxiliary port only connects to the headset's microphone and right speaker. Volume and channel selection remain controlled directly on the radio. Headset volume is adjusted using the black knurled turn wheel located on the outside of the ear dome. Depending on the headset model, this may be on either the left or right dome.